In this video, I'll be riding the one and only Polar Express from the Spa Valley Railway to the North Pole. To make this video more exciting, I'll need to complete 3 challenges. I hope you enjoyed this video and let the journey begin. And the first challenge is already at the beginning of the video, and that is to pick the pajamas that I'll wear to the experience. Because on the Polar Express, all of the children characters wear pajamas. Starting off with this pajama top, it looks nice, but it's definitely not Christmassy, so I won't be choosing this. These pajamas look nice because they're stripy, but again, not Christmassy, so I won't be choosing these. However, these ones are definitely Christmas themed, and I really like the colours. And now it's time to head to the experience.
Oh, there was 2 ones.
And I'm at London Bridge to catch the train over to Tunbridge Wells. So for those of you who don't know what the Polar Express is, it's a book and movie that takes part on a train and in the North Pole, where a young boy discovers the true meaning of Christmas. It's a very good movie, so after you watch this video, go and watch the Polar Express. And welcome to Tunbridge Wells. My Polar Express train will depart from Tunbridge Wells West, about a 10 minutes walk from here. And now it's time to walk on the beautiful streets of Tunbridge Wells. Tunbridge Wells is a town in the south of England that is home to a heritage railway, the Spa Valley Railway, which is also home to Thomas the Tank Engine. Now enjoy some of the scenery from this beautiful town. In my opinion, the overall area is very pretty. And finally, we're at the train station. And welcome to the Polar Express experience. I can't believe we're finally here, to be inside the film, in real life. And just after arriving, I received my Polar Express ticket. This is exactly like the ticket in the movie, which will get punched later on. Very nice. And now it's time to head inside the train station. Look how beautiful it is. It's very lively and definitely filled with the Christmas spirit. Now it's time to walk through this small gallery, full of moments from the Polar Express.
We are so excited to meet you. You sure you don't want to come?
After the gallery is a mini market, where you can buy food and drinks. Some gifts from the gift shop. And now it's time for the naughty or nice scanner. Am I naughty or nice? And I passed. I'm officially nice. And now I come into a small room with 2 comedians to lighten the mood before the journey.
So hang your stockings, say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Hear those sleigh bells jingle.
Christmas joke of the day.
What is your Christmas joke of the day, Noel?
Ollie, what did one snowman say to the other?
I don't know. What did one snowman say to the other?
I only have ice for you.
Oh, no. Okay, I got one.
Let's go, what's your joke?
What's an elf's favorite thing to learn in school?
I don't know, Holly. What is an elf's favorite thing to learn in school?
The alphabet.
Oh, the alphabet, Holly.
And a partridge in a pear tree.
And it's soon time to board the train.
Your journey on the Polar Express.
I have one question for you all. Are you here for the 5:30 departure of the Polar Express?
And after a short briefing by the conductor, it's time to board the Polar Express.
All aboard! All aboard! Tickets, please, tickets. Well, you're coming?
Magic carpet on a wheel.
Never take the rest.
Flying through the mountains and the snow.
You can ride for free.
If you just say yes, 'cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
You bet.
Woo woo, the whistle blows as the sun receding. Ding ding, lowering.
Golly, look at it go!
And it's time to head on board.
Anybody's guess.
'Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
This train has a really nice ambience and the seats look really comfy. And here's my seat directly at the end of the train.
It is, yeah, or the front.
There is a Polar Express lantern and some tissues. And here is outside the train.
It's very
These seats have some intricate patterns and yes, they had loads of padding. And the train is leaving.
Your attention, please, everyone. Welcome aboard the Polar Express. Not to pass between the moving cars without a member of Polar Express staff.
And here is the conductor himself.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. Do you want to go?
Names on my list, so let's check to see who's here, shall we? After three, please shout out your names as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3,
To join in, especially you, my friend. Please may I hear an owl with the boots.
if you hear the word roller coaster, we're gonna throw our hands up.
Definitely sounds like a roller coaster out there.
Hey! The ghost. Those were some pretty good impressions. Squeezing on the big man since you brought him up. You's all sounding like him. Do you really believe in him? Look, you're just like me, my friend. It's all what you are. A down.
And now it's time for challenge 2. Drink the hot chocolate. During the hot chocolate song, the train passes through its first train station. And here's my hot chocolate. Turns out it's really nice. After the hot chocolate, I even got a cookie. And here comes the ghost.
Seeing is believing. Sometimes the most real things in the world are the things we can't see. Now where are my manners? Allow me out of this here tray. It's like I'm the king of this tray, yeah. I'm the king of the Polar Express. In fact, I'm the king of the North Pole. Now let me ask you something.
I think I do hear something. The sound of a bell ringing. You know, Julie, one Christmas Eve run, I was up on the roof making my rounds when I slipped on the ice. I reached out for a hand, Diane, but it broke off.
And now it was time for a picture book of the Polar Express.
For a sound a friend had told me I'd never hear. Snowflakes fell lightly around it. A conductor stood at the open door.
Oh no, the train has stopped. Why?
We pressed through the crowd to the edge of a large open circle. In front of us, the elves cheered wildly. He marched over to us and pointing to me, said, "Let's have this fellow here."
Enjoying the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
To me, and I put it in my bathrobe pocket. The conductor helped me down from the sleigh, then disappeared into the cold, dark polar sky.
All right, let's hear your ho, ho, ho!
And look, it's the Aurora Borealis, the Northern Lights.
Before it is lit out like a big shadow of light that we can see from Earth.
I think that's the North Pole, straight ahead.
The Aurora Borealis can be seen better the further north or south you are. They come in so many colors.
Oh no, I've heard that there's caribou ahead, so we need to try and clear them from the track. And they hate loud noises, so we can shout to clear them off the track.
If you want to move the herd, you don't have to say a word. If you want to move the herd, clap your hands.
And it worked. And I think this is the North Pole. We're here. And those are the presents. Wait, who is that in such a hurry? That's not Santa. That's his elf, I think. And finally, it's the big man himself, Santa. And that's the first gift of Christmas.
The first gift of Christmas. Let's see if you can hear the bell ring. That's awesome.
And the very same bell that can be found on Santa's sleigh is in my possession.
I remember you when you were younger. To you, Merry Christmas.
Look at mommy. It doesn't fall. But it doesn't feel nice to be
And it's time to head back. And it's time for the final challenge, to get my ticket punched.
There we go. Are you getting my good angle, Joshua? Thank you very much, my friend. That's for you.
Thank you so much.
You're most
And yes, my
welcome.
ticket has officially been punched.
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Everyone say bye, Sarah.
All right, folks, if you need me, I will be up on the roof.
Rocking on top of the world. Christmas happy on the radio stop. Rocking on top of the world. Feel your honey swing that girl. Rocking on top of the world. Rocking on top of the world. Rocking on top of the world. Christmas happy on the radio stop. Rocking on top of the world. Feel your honey swing that girl. Rocking on top of the world tonight.
Overall, this experience was absolutely amazing. Although it is aimed for a younger audience, adults can come in too and join the fun.
For you, my young friend.
And we're back. If you've enjoyed the video, well, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you in the next one.
Whether he loves it or not.
Come, please, let's get it up.